Hey y'all, I'm back with another video, and today I will be doing a tutorial on how to do a sleek braided ponytail. And I want to thank y'all for watching, and I want to let y'all know I will not be talking that much during this video, so y'all will have to watch and learn. I will come back towards the middle or the end of the video and talk, but I won't be doing too much talking. Basically what I'm doing is spraying. It got to be sprayed on the hair. Comb the hair into the direction you want the ponytail to go, and blow dry. It's basically what you do the whole way through. But I had already flat ironed her hair and everything, so yeah. Here's the video. Y'all excuse my background. I have a toddler and he gets into everything. Y'all excuse my hair because I don't have my wig on, but anyways, bye. So y'all, what I'm doing right here is basically wrapping the hair around the scrunchie, so you're going to be able to tell that it's a hair tie right there. But I know a lot of people have a hard time doing this. Basically what you do is when you wrap it, you need to comb it to make sure it's smooth. Comb it and hairspray and wrap. Comb it, comb it, hairspray, wrap. I'm telling y'all, like, you have to really comb it. Like, you can't just turn it. You can't just keep wrapping, keep wrapping, keep wrapping. Some people use hair glue to make sure it's secure, but I haven't had any problems with just hairspray. Because let's be honest, ponytail doesn't last months. So, I mean, by the time it's time to take the ponytail out, you know, the wrap still will be there. But yeah, that's all I wanted to come and tell y'all. Just comb and wrap and spray. Comb, spray, wrap. Now let me tell y'all something else. These baby hairs, oh my gosh. Y'all, I be having the hardest time with baby hairs. Like, oh my gosh. Like, y'all gonna see the struggle. Alright, I'm back. Hey y'all, thanks for watching. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. If you still watching, you've been watching for a long time, you haven't subscribed yet, what you waiting on? I have more videos to come, you guys, so don't forget to subscribe. Thanks. Bye.